You simply have too many bills. One gets in quite a muddle over them.
But that last one, you muddled the line between winning and losing.
You have muddled everything from the start.
I wasn't, though. You muddle-headed idiot.
If you take testosterone away, then the brain will become muddled.
Well, I find there's so much to assimilate, it can become quite muddling at times.
Content was often muddled and delivered with little focus or care.
I'm awfully sorry, I seem to have my dates
A physicist can't allow his calculations
Plain,
to be...
simple, muddled, fat-headed human.
I was being bled myself, the knife was at my throat. You simply have too many bills. One gets in quite a muddle over them.
But surely, good Monsieur Leroux, you can
On everyone.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. But that last one, you muddled the line between winning and losing.
But I do. You have muddled everything from the start. Taking that child with you from Marrakesh.
We were prepared to take the risk. I wasn't, though. You muddle-headed idiot. Why can't you understand? I'm not an individual.
And his ability to concentrate. And if you take testosterone away, then the brain will become muddled.
Latest events, but
Finally, someone decided
well, I find there's so much to assimilate, it can become quite muddling at times.
and so they placed the chopsticks around the table.
More year, but I was thoroughly disappointed. The content was often muddled and delivered with little focus or care. Class was a waste of time.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
I'm awfully sorry, I seem to have my dates muddled up.
Oh, no, I canceled the game.
You don't believe in God?
A physicist can't allow his calculations to be muddled by a belief in a supernatural creator.
I'm a man, you fool. Don't you understand? A plain, simple, muddled, fat-headed human being. We have them in the West, you know.
Pain. I got them muddled. It's the new lot that's just come in for Mr. Crabbin.
My mind's in a muddle. Like in a thick fog.
The linear and impressionistic mix makes a very muddled composition. It's also a Winslow Homer ripoff, except...
Ah, Sarah, where's your muddle-headed husband?
The governor's at the punch bowl, thank you very much.
Faggot balls along for a good old time. But you've got your parties muddled up. There's no pussy.